If you're in perimenopause or menopause and you're struggling with stubborn belly fat, brain fog, or shifting cholesterol, you're probably looking for help. But when you type menopause nutritionist into Google, you're met with a sea of titles: RDs, health coaches, functional nutritionists, dietitians. Do they all mean the same thing? Absolutely not. In fact, hiring the wrong person can mean the difference between getting a medical plan that works or just getting an extensive list of supplements you don't need. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the nutritionist versus dietitian debate so you can protect your health and your wallet. Here's the simple truth. In many places, the word nutritionist is not a protected title. That means your neighbor, your yoga teacher, or that influencer with a six-pack can all call themselves a nutritionist after a weekend online course. But a registered dietitian, RD or RDN, is a regulated health professional. They've completed a degree, over 1,200 hours of supervised practice, and a national board exam. Think of it this way: every dietitian is a nutritionist, but not every nutritionist is a dietitian. Why does this matter specifically for us? Because menopause isn't just a diet phase. It's a psychological shift. Your insulin sensitivity changes, your bone density drops, your heart health risk goes up. Dietitians are the only ones legally allowed to provide medical nutrition therapy. If you have prediabetes, high blood pressure, or thyroid issues along with your menopause symptoms, a dietitian can treat those conditions with food. A non-credentialed nutritionist is often legally limited to general wellness, meaning they can tell you to eat more kale, but they can't manage your medical labs. When you are screening someone to help you through the change, look for these. The green flags, they are RD or RDN. They ask for your medical history and recent labs. They coordinate with your doctor. They accept insurance. Many RDs do. The red flags, they push a one-size-fits-all 1,200 calorie plan. They sell a massive supplement stack before seeing your blood work. And they promise a cure for menopause in 30 days. They won't tell you exactly what their credentials are. You deserve support that is as complex as your biology. Don't settle for generic advice when your long-term bone and heart health are on the line. Verify the credentials and ask the hard questions, and choose someone who sees you as a patient, not just as a customer. I've written a full guide over on the blog that includes a checklist of questions to ask a provider before you pay them a dime. I'll link that below. Have you ever worked with a dietitian? Did you find the medical approach more helpful than a standard weight loss plan? Let's chat in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more evidence-based menopause support. I'll see you next time.